Hi guy, if you are thinking about signing up for SiteGround hosting, you are going to want to watch this video. I have been testing out SiteGround for a couple of months now, and in this video I will tell you absolutely everything you need to know about SiteGround hosting before you sign up. Spoiler alert, SiteGround is not a perfect web hosting tool. However, after comparing it to several other hosting platforms, I have choose to keep using SiteGround, and I will explore why that is in this video. Before we get started, if at any point while watching this video do you decide SiteGround is something you want to try for yourself, click the link in the description before you create your account. That link will get you a really nice discount and help you save some money, so don't forget to take advantage of it. So let's dive in here. Everything you need to know about SiteGround hosting. SiteGround offer a nice setup uh, of different hosting services, from the most basic need to more specific ones for all kinds of difference between or individual product. Whatever you are looking for, standard web hosting, a platform optimized for WordPress or something for your WooCommerce store, SiteGround has got you covered. But what set them apart, in my opinion, is that their platform is built on higher Google Cloud infrastructure. This means they offer reliability, security, and fast speed. When I migrate one of my bigger website over to SiteGround, the loading the noticeably improved, and generally SiteGround has really convinced me when it's come to their performance, especially compared to other hosting services. Apart from their performance, there are also some other things to mention about SiteGround. For starters, they have been in the industry for 20 years, and that experiences really show. In my opinion, you get quick, easy to use website building tools, smooth website and email transfer, and solution optimized for e-commerce and other CMS application. They also have feature to boost your website security and speed if you want to manage multiple domain or need a reliable email services. Then SiteGround is a good choice for that as well. However, there always a catch. Quality often come at a price, and SiteGround regular pricing via a bit step for my taste. That's why you guys should definitely use the discount link I put in the description below this video to help reduce the cost. Alright, do me a favor, if you stuck around this long, hit that like button, it will support this channel. If you have any question, please share them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank for your watching.